After 72 days of lockdown, many organizations have now started their operations partially. That is a good news for all of us. At the same time, it has put a new challenge in front of salespeople. Salespeople are the pivot because they coordinate with the customer and bring business. So they play a very important role for the organizations to bring back the business and streamline the organization's operation. So past methods of transaction-oriented sales approach will no longer be useful because the situation in which now customers are operating is a totally different situation. They too are facing unprecedented challenge to bring back their operation to normalcy. How long will it take? Nobody knows. But at the same time, also a salesperson has a big responsibility from his part to ensure that he is able to receive business from all his existing customers when they start their operation. That will help his organization to bring back to normalcy. Therefore, more than just discussing with the customers or looking for deals, a salesperson has to develop much more important competencies in this situation. First and foremost is he should have industry knowledge. He should know to which industry he is going to supply his products and services and what impact COVID-19 has made on this industry in the short run as well as in long run. So that is very important to know before he enters into the business with any other customer in that industry. Second aspect is financial situation. He has to become a financial analyst to understand the financial situation of the customers before supplying the products and services. So that is another important aspect that will help him to understand the risk or to mitigate the risk of supply of his products and services to this customer. Third aspect is he should also know the decision-making structure of the customer. Because of this situation of lockdown and COVID-19, now the old decision-making structure might not be in operation. The organizations might have put a new operation or decision-making structure which will evaluate each and every deal and ensure that the purchases are made in a most effective way. Therefore, a salesperson has to also know what kind of now decision-making structure organizations have and what kind of buying process they are going to follow during this situation. In addition to this, a salesperson has to also evaluate his relationship with the decision makers in this particular organization. All these four factors are very important to decide or select the customer for doing the business and decide the approach towards closing the deals. Because at this moment, your customers as well as your company both are under difficult situation and their requirements are similar. Everybody will be looking for cash flows for the revival to survive now and in future. That's why a much more mature and diplomatic approach is required towards closing the deals. A salesperson has to be much more mature to engage dialogue with these decision makers and then close the deals which are of benefit to both parties, which will reduce risk of both parties. This is very important. So at this moment, it is important to focus on your existing customers, very important applications where customers need the material at the moment, as well as an integrated dialogue, short-term and long-term, and looking for those long-lasting partnership with these customers that will help him as well as your company to come out of this situation successfully.